Page 15, crispy chips. This is another new musical mark now that we get to know forever and ever. It's called a staccato mark. They show you examples of their little dots above or below the note. It doesn't matter if it's above or below. That's not what's important. The point is it's a little dot. And it simply tells you to play it disconnected. In music, we get a choice. You can connect the notes or you can disconnect the notes. Take your pick. Connect the notes, you're playing it legato. Disconnect the notes, you're playing it staccato, sort of. Now there's varieties, there are differences of staccatos. The one we're learning first is the dot, and that's the most common. It is a short staccato. You see, if I take it, just a bunch of notes here, that's legato. I connected those. But I can disconnect them here. It's a short staccato. But I can do a long staccato. There's different lengths of staccato. It depends on what the music needs. And there's other markings for staccato, but this is the one we'll use. And so that's what it is. Now there's different techniques for playing staccato. The one we're going to use at first is the most common, and that's where you're flexing at the wrist and you're on the key and you're bouncing off. You're not going way up. I exaggerated so you can see it better, but it's really just a little thing. Here. You should do it in both hands. You can do it together if you want. You bump on it. Now, when you're going fast, you don't have time to put your hand on the key each time. You got to do this, but it's a little motion. It's not a big motion. It's a little motion. When you start getting a big motion, then you start missing notes. You're getting out of control. Staccato is, again, part of articulation. So I'll do that when I get to the articulation. When I'm first learning the notes and the rhythms, I connect everything. So forget the staccatos for now. We'll come back to them. I look the piece over. It's 2 lines long. Treble and bass clef signs. 4/4 time signature. And the quarter notes really all the way through with a few quarter rests. So the right hand starts here in the first line, and the left hand is here in the second. And the first finger numbers they give you is all you need. You don't read finger numbers, please. And we're connecting the notes because we just want to get the notes and the rhythm. Well, the rhythm's not a problem. They're all quarter notes. Rest. So I go through at your speed and make sure you can play the notes okay and the rhythms. And then once I have that, I go back through and I get rid of any hesitations anywhere. No hesitations. Keep it as slow as you need to, it doesn't matter, but no hesitations. And then once I do that, then I add the articulation. Here, the articulation is staccato. So now I'm going to staccato these. All the way through. They're all staccato. Every note's staccato. Okay. Then once I have the articulation, then I add the dynamics. And here, MF is mezzo forte or sort of loud, sort of heavy. Not loud, just sort of loud. And it's that way all the way through. All right, fine. Actually, what I suggest you do here is practice this piece really softly as well as sort of loud. Learn to do this very softly. Just very light. How softly can you get? It's important. Playing really, really soft takes control. It's easier to play MF. So I'm challenging you. Practice playing it soft too. And then the speed. Crisply. Well, that's not speed. I don't know. You decide on how fast you want to take it. You don't have to go that fast. You take it at your speed. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Feel these. And go slow enough that you have time to put your hand back on the key before you play the next note. Go. Put it back on, and then the next note. Right now. Do that. Don't take it real fast where you gotta blah, 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 blah. We'll do that later. No. I want you to get the idea, get comfortable with the idea of having the hand on the keys and you just push down and bounce off. With the wrist, you're working the wrist here. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do, well, there's no dynamic really, but I will do the staccatos. Now, on the Play With Me's, I do the articulation. I just don't do the dynamics. So we will do the staccatos, just not the MF. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. Rest. 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 Rest.